how to lock Scotiabank's debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock Scotiabank's debit card. So in order to lock your Scotiabank's debit card, first thing first, log in into your account, and after that head over to the credit card section, and under it go ahead and select Scotia Gold MX card. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, click the gear icon or the manage tab located in the top right hand side corner. After you've done that, you'll be able to see all sort of statement. So right at the bottom, you can see there's a settings option, and under it there is lock or unlock card. So click on the arrow icon located right in the corner. After you've done that, you'll be able to see all sort of information like this, and over here you need to go and select the reason why you're actually blocking or why you are actually locking the card. So go ahead and tap on is your credit card lost or stolen, and then you'll be able to see a statement right at the bottom. If you're sure about it, then click the close button, and if you're sure about it, then close it. And similarly, if you want to unblock it, then click the toggle button located right at the bottom. In order to complete the procedure, click the finish tab, and then you've successfully locked Scotiabank's debit card. So in that way, you can lock Scotiabank debit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.